Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag ASP.NET C# tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create the Captcha code in ASP.NET C#. So go to the Visual Studio. Uh, we want the Captcha code, just like I want the Captcha code in any page, or first I want the Captcha code in any page. So go to the new page. I'm creating the test Captcha page. I'm creating one page that is name is the test Captcha. Here I want to show the Captcha code, and for that I'm going to create one Captcha page where automatically it will create the Captcha, and I will show in the test Captcha page. So right click on that, go to the add new item, and I am creating one page. I'm giving the name for the page, my Captcha. So in CS page, in my Captcha CS page, I'm going to write the code. Some code are there. Let me get the code. So we need the assembly library like drawing.2d, drawing 2d and imaging. So I'm including both. All the code will be available on our website. Now so in this page, what I'm doing, I'm just calling the other three assembly and library there, drawing 2d and drawing imaging. And there is a page load function. Whenever the page will load, first function will call, that is the page load. And page load function I'm just calling on the random code. So random function will give you the random generated code, and that random code will pass in bottom. Here I'm passing. So random code will generate, then we'll take the bitmap, then we'll take the graphics. So whatever the graphics there will clear with the white background. Okay, then we are going the drawing line, then we create the draw rectangle. There is a code for the creating the rectangle. Then we are creating some draw lines on the rectangle, and we have a brush tool, designing brush. With the brush we are just making some code for that. And now this is the main thing, rectangle area. We are taking the 0 0 to 50 to 50, and here we are string between the random next between the 10 lakhs to this, between any number will generate, and this number. After that, this number I'm passing here, and I'm just checking that number with the means we are converting that number to lower. Whatever the captcha code will be generated, that captcha code I am just placing to the lower case, because there is a alphanumeric number will come. I am just using that code and placing to the session with the lowercase. After that we are drawing here, and the font style for that captcha code is a Times New Roman, size 25. And in the bitmap I'm going to save that one in the image format, GIF format, with that. So now let's see how captcha code will be visible. So my captcha here will call. For the calling purpose I will use the code one image tag. With image tag I will just call the my captcha code. I'm giving the size id captcha image, then here is the size and height I'm giving, the image URL I'm just calling the my captcha code. Let me run that code. Text captcha is created, or every refresh it will just generate one captcha. See, so in this video we learn how to create the captcha code. In next videos we will learn how to use the captcha code on login page, registration page, and other pages where we want. Okay? And how to validate the captcha code. Thank you for watching.